Eric, Kyle Bass is reportedly going all out on his bet that the Hong Kong dollar peg will collapse. A famous China bear, of course. What do we know about this bet?
Yeah, the interesting thing with this bet is some of the market are calling this, maybe looking at this as a bit of a lottery ticket. He's reportedly starting up a fund that's going to take as much as 200 to 1 leverage bearish bets on the Hong Kong currency collapsing. Now, of course, the Hong Kong dollar has had a long-standing peg against the U.S. dollar going back to the 1980s, and it's weathered some pretty significant turbulence over that time. Of course, we got the handover in 1997. We've had multiple global financial crises in Asia and around the world, and the peg has stood tall. Financial Secretary Paul Chan has been vocal again in his support of the peg and the importance of the peg for the Hong Kong currency. He notes that even with the added tensions, there is some concern if we see some sanctions from the U.S. that might affect their ability to defend the peg. But he has said that, again, the Hong Kong government stands ready to defend the peg, and he expects the Chinese government to be able to back that up. So on the looks of it, the Hong Kong currency continues to look strong. In fact, it's been trading at the strong end of the range for a while now, and the HKMA has actually had to sell some Hong Kong currency to keep it from going past the strong end of the range. So at the moment, the currency looks strong, but again, with lottery tickets, you never know.